Hello students, today we will learn English language study chapter number 2, word study. A synonym is a word having similar meaning to another word. So, synonym means meanings, and what is antonyms? It is opposite. Opposite it is. Now let's see. Synonyms is a word having similar meaning to another word. For example, begin. Another word for begin is commence. Start. Eat, consume, ingest. Costly, dear, inexpensive. So these are the similar words to these words. So synonyms in simple word it is what? Meaning. Meaning to the given word. So next is an antonym. An antonym is a word opposite in meaning to another word. Now antonym finish, opposite word for finish is start, begin. Then opposite word for enter is exit. Then opposite word for enrich is empowerage. So antonym in simple word is opposite. If I give any question, write the antonym of the following words. So you should be able to make out that you have to write the opposite word. You have to write the opposite word. Now, what is homonym? A homonym is a word of the same spelling or sound as another but of a different meaning. See, there are some words, their pronunciation is same but the meaning is different. Saw, SAW, saw. Now, saw is what? Past tense of see. I see the picture. I saw the picture. Like that. Then saw is an instrument to cut wood. Then outer covering of the trunk of a tree. So three different meaning. This two different meaning it is having. Saw means past tense of see and instrument used to cut wood. Next is bark. BARK, bark. So sound of a dog and outer covering of the trunk of a tree. So there are two different meanings of this word. Next is right. Opposite of left. Not wrong, correct. So right is also having two different meanings. Next is homophone. Now what is homophone? A homophone is a word of the same sound but of a different spelling and different meaning. Now, homophone is what? Of the same sound. The pronunciation will be same but spelling will be different and meaning also will be different there. TAIL, tail, and tail, TALE, tail. So both the words are sound same but they both have different meaning and the spellings are also different. Next is weight. WAIT, weight. And another is weight. WEIGHT, weight. What is your weight? My weight is 50 kg. My weight is 80 kg. That type of. We measure our weight. And for someone we weight, so that weight is another. So both are having different spellings and different meaning also. This is homophone. Write. When we write, that is writing. And RIGHT, write. This also sounds the same but spelling is different and meaning is also different. So these are some words examples of homophone. Now given below is a grid of common homophones. two different when two different meanings are given in the same line separated by a semicolon, the word is a homonyms. Now, here are some words given homonyms and its meaning. It is given. So this you have to write in your notebook. All this definition along with the examples, then all this in whatever I am telling homonyms and its meaning, that you have to copy it in your notebook. Now ad, this is the short form for advertisement. Ad, ad, short for addition or calculate the total of. We do plus and plus, so that is addition. Same way, bare, naked, bear, a wild animal, and bear, this is a verb, to put up with something, to tolerate. Next is affect and effect. Affect is to change, and if effect is result. Bark, this is noun, outer sheet of a tree, and bark, verb, sound made by a dog. Air, hair, stuff we breathe, hair, and hair, one who will inherit. Bee, to exist. Bee, an insect that produce honey. So many words are like that of homonyms and their meanings are different. Allowed, permitted. Allowed, in a loud voice. Ate, past tense of to eat. Ate, a number. Ate, a number it is. Next is been. A been, past particle of to be. Past particle of to be. A legume. So two different meanings are given. Next is blue. Past tense of to blow, and blue is color of the sky. Then is dew. Condensation of vapor in the early hours of morning. Dew, pebble. Next is board, a plank. Board, to get on a train, ship or plane. Next is not interested, bored. So three different spellings are there and different meanings also. Then is dye, to become dead, and dye, coloring agent. Next is bold, brave, and bold, knocked over. So two different meanings are here. Next is dove and dove. So two different meanings are given. A female deer, uncooked mixture of flour, water, etc. to make bread, cakes or biscuit. Next is bowl, deep dish. Another meaning is to throw a ball to the batsman in cricket. Then is fair, even-handed, fair payment. Then is bow, branch of a tree, front of a ship, respectful bend. Then is flour, powder made from crushed food grain. Flower, a bloom. There are many different kinds of flower also. Break, stopping device, and another meaning is to split apart. Next is 4, in front, and 4, number after 3. Then is buy, to purchase, buy, near, buy, farewell. Then is groan, a long deep sound of pain. Another word is groan, become larger. Next is cast, to throw. Cast, performer in a play or a film. Caste is social class. Guest, guest, a visitor, and guest, past tense of to guess. Next is ceiling, top of the room, and ceiling, to close a package or envelope. Hail, frozen rain. Hail, robust, healthy. So two different words and two different meanings are there. Then is cell, a small room, and another word sell, to exchange for money. Then is hair, grows from your head, and hair is rabbit. Next is cent, 1/100 of a dollar. Scent and aroma, and scent is dispatch. So three different words are there, and with their three different meanings. Next is deer, beloved, and deer is an animal also. Here, to listen, here at this location. Heard, listen to, and heard, a group of cows, etc. Next is hymn, pronoun, and hymns, religious song. Next is peace, calmness, opposite of war, and peace, a bit out of many. Whole, round opening, whole, entirety. Plane, not fancy, plane, a surface, and aeroplane. Idol, not working, idol, object of worship. Pole, a long stick, another pole, voting. Then is in, expressing inclusion in, hotel. Praise, to command, to commend or to speak highly of someone. Praise, worship God. Praise, hunt. Then one more is there, pray, worship God, pray, hunt. Night, calaverous man, and night, darkness, opposite of day. Know, to possess knowledge, and another know is negation, not to accept. Presence, the state of being present, and presence is another is gift. So all these homonyms with their meanings, this you have to write in your notebook, English grammar notebook. Next is maid, accomplish, and another maid, young woman. Principal, head of school, most important, main, and another word, principle, a moral rule or belief, a general rule. Next is meat, animal flesh, and meat, to connect. Profit, money earned, and prophet, a person sent by God to teach about religion. One, singularity, and won, victorious. Read, having knowledge from reading, and read, tall, another word, thing, water, plant. Next is pale, bucket, pale bucket, and pale, little colored. Pain, unpleasant, hurtful feeling. Pane, single panel of glass. Pear, a set of two. Pear, cutting down, remove peels of a fruit. Pear, bottom, heavy fruit. So three different words with their three different meanings. Past, approved, moved on, and past, before, and past before now. Row, fish egg. Row, pull and oar. Write, correct. Write, ritual. Write, a maker. And write, to inscribe. Road, a broad trail. Road, past tense of to know, of to ride. Rowed, propelled a boat by oars. Next is to Rome, to wander. Rome, capital of Italy. Steal, take unlawfully, and another steal is iron alloy. Roll, part, to play, and roll is to rotate. Story, the horizontal division of a building floor, a narrative tale. Roots, underground part of a plant. Route, path of travel. Sunday, ice cream with syrup and fruits on it. First day of the week. Tail, spinal appendage. Tail, story. Next is sail, wind powered water tail, travel. Another meaning for this sail, large white canvas sheet, and sail, the act of sailing. There, belonging to them at the location. Belonging to them there at the location. Scene, visual location. Scene, past particle of to see. Next is seam, row of stitches. Seam, appear. Toe, fore part of the foot. Toe, to pull ahead. Sight, vision. Sight, a location. Weight, remain in readiness. Weight, an amount of heaviness. Way, path or direction. Wage, to measure weight. Sew, to stitch with thread. Sow, to plant seeds. Sole, only, the lower part of a foot or a shoe. Immortal, part of a person. Weak, not strong. Week, 7 days. Weather, meteorological condition. Whether, if it be the case. Some, a few. Some, result of addition. Sun, male child. Sun, heavily body. Mass of hot gases. Wood, what we get from trees. Wood, model used in to convey a specific meaning. And the last one is stationery, not moving. Stationery, writing paper, pens, papers, etc. Now here is exercise. Write the antonyms of the following word. Politely, softly, calmly, carefully. Supply suitable antonyms for the following. Means the opposite word you have to write here. Respect, strong, silent, low, tall, joy, enemy, loose. Different, believe, praise, heaviest, gathered, impress, fresh, love. Next, confident, defeat, Asian, maximum, bravery, innocent, sail, rich, young, arrogant, reduce, reward, destroy, idleness, include, opening, rise, temporarily, worst, collapse, beneath, later, quickly, naturally, beautiful, forward, despair, right, dull, forget, together, appreciate, delicious. Third one is, which of the following pairs of words are antonyms of each other? Smile, frown, gather, collect, destroy, create, begin, end, simple, complex, rare, common, valuable, invaluable, limited, limitless, wisely, foolishly, borrow, lend. So in this you have to match the pair. Two words are given. If they are opposite of each other, that you have to write in your answer. Last question is add antonyms to the following words. Silent, slimmer. Now fourth question is and add synonyms to the following words. Silent, slimmer, short, survive, swift, suppleness, shine, flavor. Synonyms you know very well. You have to write the similar word means meanings. Inspiring, amble, beneath, wide, by, try, hip, begin, huge, rare, about, view, serene, adorn, select, harmony, clever, watch, conversion, profit, exhibit, forward, purpose, venerate. So these words I have given you for writing the synonyms. The similar word to this word. Refer dictionary and do this homework. So I want all of you to write the definition along with examples and solve this exercise in your English grammar notebook and submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Have a good day.